Magandang hapon, ako nga pala si BK. At ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano kong ginawa ito S.COUPS-inspired makeup na ito. Let's go! First question, how did I become a carrot? How did I slip into the diamond life? Way back in 2015, ininterview sa akin ng friend ko yung Seventeen. The first music video I watched of them is yung Adore You. Ang unang-unang bias ko nun si Doc Yun. Hanggang pretty ko lang sila na subaybayan. Tapos after na nag-stop ako, last November or December 2019, sabi ko, punta ako YouTube, makikinig uli ako ng mga songs nila. Doon na uli ako nag-umpisa. That's how I slipped again into the diamond life. Let's go answer another question. Why did you stand 17? Naghahanap ako noon ng parang purpose ba sa life. I stand 17 kasi I wanted to feel happy. I wanted to belong somewhere. I have something to look forward to, not just my daily routine. How did 17 or K-pop change your life? Ang dami kong na-meet na friends, ang dami kong na-discover na hobbies. Mas na-enjoy ko yung paggamit ko ng skills ko. Feeling ko, laging appreciated yung works ko and I am also appreciated as a person. I'm so grateful na naging K-pop fan ako. Most memorable moment in your fangirl life? Yung Ode to You. Ode to You in Manila talaga. That was my first concert after I jumped back into K-pop. I had lots and lots of problems before Ode to You. And it was something I was looking forward to. And natuloy siya amidst all the problems. Favorite thing about being a K-pop fan? Siguro the merch. Kahit magasto siya, I enjoy buying merch. Favorite 17 songs and why? Check na ako sa Spotify ko. Iba-iba kasi yung favorite 17 songs ko. Pero my ultimate favorite, Hit. It gives me lots of energy. Tsaka, ang ganda ng choreo. Another favorite is Fast Pace. It sounds sexy, pero it's sad. Number 3, Rocket. Medyo nerdy vibes kasi yung song na yun, kaya ako siya nagustuhan. Bukod sa 17, ano pa iba kong stan? I'm standing for groups. Number 1, 17. Number 2, 80s. Number 3, Stray Kids. Tapos, Twice. Favorite 17 unit? Ang hirap pumili. I'm gonna go with performance unit. There's something ethereal about the way they dance. How many concerts have you gone to? 2. My first one was in 2016, Epilogue, BTS. My second one is Ode to You in Manila, noong Feb. And hopefully, makita ko rin live ang Stray Kids. How many times ka na nagpa-color ng hair? And what is your favorite so far? I've colored my hair 3 times. Blonde, back to black, saka blue. This one. Ang favorite ko talaga yung blue. There's something very me about it. When did you start collecting 17 merch? After I started standing them again. I started collecting 17 merch again noong January. Mag-album muna tayo. Going 17 yung favorite mini album. My favorite album, Teenage. Teenage is the best. Favorite 17 era. Either Clap or Ajunai's era. What can you say to the people who plan to attack or disrespect 17? If you plan on hating on 17, tara dun sa kanta natin. Choose one member in 17 that you'd like to be your model for makeup tutorials. Either Joshua or Johan. Feeling ko madadalian akong maglagay ng eye makeup sa kanya. He has good lips too. Plump kasi yung lips ni Joshua, so pwede akong mag-experiment ng different kinds of lip makeup on him. Johan naman, kasi feeling ko sa kanya ako makakapag-practice ng androgynous makeup, which is the makeup I'm trying to do most of the time. Merong isang nagtanong, reasons why you love Yosa. Feeling ko pinagsiserve lang ako nitong question na to eh. I love Yosang because I admire yung friendship nila ni Muyang. And also, sobrang grabe yung visuals ni Yosang. Like, hindi ko siya ma-reach. Yosang is a very, very, very talented idol. He deserves more lines in 18s. Please, bigyan nila ng maraming lines si Yosang sa susunod na comeback. Say about the toxic FB group, K-pop trash talker. Sobrang classless nung group na yon. So sobrang pagka-bored mo ba, you decided to bully people. Some people there do not know kasi the difference between humor and pure harassment. Cyberbullying is bull. It's not gonna make you a better person. So please, itigil nyo na yan. What is your message to your fans? Charot, hahaha. What's your message to Johan's future wife / husband? Magtrabaho kang mabuti para makapunta ka na ng Korea. Mag-aral ka na ng Korean para mapansin ka na ni Johan. Ako kasi yun. Ako yung future wife. Message ko naman sa future husband ni Johan. Make sure na lagi mo siyang bubusugin sa pagmamahal. Huwag mo siyang pupuyatin. Tsaka lalagaan mo si Johan ha. Next question. Sino sa 17 ang masasabi mo ideal man mo in real life? Si Minghao. I really like artistic people. As someone who is also into arts, gusto ko ng someone who would help me express myself and at the same time, I would help that person express him or herself. Pero feeling ko din naman si Johan kasi parang kami ang show eh. Tingin mo ate, sino jojowain ang bias mo pag pipili lang siya sa members and why? I would say Sungchol kasi Jongchol shipper ako. Pero feeling ko kasi mas makakasundo ni Jonghan si Joshua. Meron kasi silang friendship bago pa sila mag-debut. Pero mas bagay pa rin para sa akin si Sungchol tsaka si Jonghan. Any likes aside from K-entertainment? I'm into gaming. I play League of Legends, RPG, such as The Witcher, and Monster Hunter World. I also like watching anything and everything horror. Motivation mo to take your course? Kasi I love writing. Gusto ko rin kasi makapag-produce ng something na makakapagbago ng something in the society. Why do you like coffee? Sabi kasi nung nagtanong, yung sagot dapat beach. Para kasi yung hit eh. Unang hit sound pa lang. Para kang umiinom ng kape, na unang sip mo pa lang, bumubuhayan ka. That's why I love coffee. Para siyang... So, ayun. Thank you so much for watching my S.COUPS-inspired makeup tutorial and Q&A. Stay tuned for more dahil gagawa pa ako ng mga ganito in the near future. Thank you! Love you all! Annyeong!